Okay, so pag-usapan natin yung isang rhyme na palaging pinapasaulo sa loob ng training camp. Ito yung what is parrot. Okay, so i-recite natin. What is parrot? Of all the queer birds I ever did see, parrot is the one who has no secrecy. He talks too much about his life in a hat. That's why one day he was finally shot. So as a trainee without secrecy and discipline, will someday meet the parrots and sir. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? Okay, so bilang mga trainees or bilang mga bagong tao or muka sa serbisyo, lalong-lalo na sa military and uniform personnel, kinakailangan na ang trainer merong secrecy and discipline. Kaya nga ang sabi dun sa rhyme, as a trainee who has no secrecy and discipline will someday meet the parrots and sir. Ibig sabihin, kapag hindi ka naging tahimik, hindi ka nag-keep ng mga sensitive informations na nalaman mo tungkol sa iyong trainees ay or sa iyong mga pinagdaanan sa training ay maaaring maging katulad ka rin ng parrot na finally is dead because of his dahil siya ay maraming sinasabi or kung ano-ano ang sinabi. He talks too much about his life in a hat. So the lesson here is to keep silence, follow the rules, and maging mapagkakatiwalaan. Hanggat nasa loob ng training camp at hindi ka pa isang ganap na uniform personnel, ay follow rules. Follow and follow until you follow no more and wait until you become. Tama ba? Ikaw, kung may saloobin ka tungkol sa rhyme na what is parrot, comment mo nga. Huwag kang kupal.
Bro! Kupal tots! Masakit pero may saysay. Tinutulungan ko kahit minsan mahirap.